champagne glasses from Home Goods. They were on sale and they just look amazing, so elegant. I cannot wait to have a glass of champagne in these. I have never owned any champagne glasses, so I am super excited about these. They came in a set of 4, so I need to just go ahead and clean these so I can add them to my cabinet. I am pretty sure that I showed you guys how they turned out, but I am super excited about the cabinet organization. So 4 of these, and we are just going to put these right over here. I have been looking forward to receiving these spice jars. This is something that I have always wanted to do, but I never got around to doing it. They come with labels, different types of labels, and then it comes with 24 jars. I got the ones with the wooden lids. This is totally my vibe. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, here are the jars. I am going to go ahead and clean them. So I am going to show you the cookware set that I got from Walmart. It looks like this. This is the Karoti non-stick cookware set. I am going to show you guys the pans. So this is the 7-inch saucepan, 9-inch saucepan, 9-inch frying pan. I believe that this one is the 10-inch frying pan, then a 12-inch frying pan, or this is the 10-inch saute pan. And then this one is the 12-inch frying pan. It also comes with storage lids. You have 2 of them in different sizes. Then it comes with 3 sauce lids, or 3 silicone lids. Very aesthetic looking. And then it comes with pot protectors. It comes with 4 of them. It has removable handles. You have 2, and you just, pretty sure you slide this back or something. I'm not really sure how to use it yet, but I love this set. It's gonna save so much space in my cabinets. And yeah, you can use them for just about anything. Loving the new cookware set. I cannot wait to cook my first meal in these pans. Go ahead and get my furniture set up right now. I have all of my boxes right here, and I have this from Home Goods. It was $79.99, and it is the dynamic rug in size 5.3 times 7. And yeah, I really love the design of this rug. I love the color. Hopefully it matches my furniture perfectly, and yeah, I'm hoping that it works out. I don't think that I need a bigger rug for this space. I don't have a lot of space in my living room area, so I just wanted to keep it open as much as I can. I don't want to add furniture that is too big. So yeah, you guys, I can't wait to show you the furniture and what I chose. I did get my furniture from Target online. I originally wanted to get furniture from Ashley's Furniture, but it was going to be too big for my space. I did the measurements and everything, so I looked for a couch that was similar to the one that I wanted from Ashley's, and I found one on Target.com. So it saved me tons of money as well, and I am just pretty excited about how it's gonna turn out. It literally sat in my living room for 3 days, so it's finally time to unbox it. That took a lot of time and energy, getting the boxes, unboxing the furniture. So now I am going to set it up with the rug and just put everything together. Hopefully it turns out good. Right now I love the way the furniture look. I like the texture. It's literally better than what I thought it would be. Here is what the rug is looking like. It's a 5 by 7. I originally thought that I should get an 8 by 10, but we will see how it works out once I put the furniture together or on top of it. So let's do that now, but it matches the furniture perfectly. And look at the design. I love the turnout of the modular sectional from Target. It looks amazing. I love the fabric on here. I actually had to run out to get Little Sean from school, but I am all done setting up my furniture. I will link it below just in case any of you guys are interested. It is the modular sectional from Target. I got the 4-piece set. The fabric is linen and it comes with an ottoman right there, so I can move that away if I want to. I can also design the couch how I want, and then if I want an extra piece I can also do that, but I don't think that I will be getting an extra piece. So I think that it comes in a 4-piece, 6-piece, something like that. So yeah, you guys, I love how it turned out. And show you all everything that I picked up for my curtains. As I've mentioned, I will be linking the girl's name across the screen who I am following for my window decor. She did an amazing job. I love the way hers turned out. They look elegant and I just love the linen look. So that is the look that I am going for my entire space I have here. So these are the first set of curtains, and then I got a second set. I believe that these are 4 total. I am not sure if I am going to need any more, but if I do, I will order more on Amazon. So yeah, they come in a set of 2, and I cannot pronounce the name, so I am not going to even try. And then I got this track system. It also comes with the pieces inside to apply the curtain to the track. So this is what it looks like. You just stick it on the ceiling or the wall, whatever you're gonna do, and you don't have to drill any holes or screw in anything. This is gonna be simple and easy. It is the next day. I let my curtain track sit overnight. So now I am going to put my curtains up. I am not waiting 48 hours like I thought I would. I am just too excited to see how they are going to turn out. And I don't know if I need to order more. So I just want to go ahead and get them up just in case I have to order more. And then I will go ahead and do that. But I showed you guys the curtains I got yesterday. Here they are. And we're gonna go ahead and figure out how to get them on the hooks. I am not sure how that's going to work out. And then also I got my bar stools in today. I am excited to put those up, and then I am just waiting for my coffee table. But yeah, this morning I went to get coffee from Dunkin'. I'm going to have that. I have already had breakfast and I am well rested for this day. So yeah, let me just go ahead and start hanging up the curtains. Do you guys see it? Like the lighting is a little dark, but you guys can still get the vision of how they look. They look absolutely amazing. It definitely elevated the space as well, and it makes it feel homey inside. Love that. I cannot wait to get my coffee table. You guys, I just love. So I definitely extended the curtain as well over to the left side of the wall, and I raised the blinds inside. But this whole look and vision is coming together, and I cannot believe how I've decorated my space. It looks absolutely breathtaking. I'm about to start a new vlog, and I am going to be decorating my bathroom, and then more furniture is coming in. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I want to apologize if it seems like it was all over the place, but I tried my best. So yeah guys, go ahead and subscribe for more updates. I will be putting up another video really soon, and I just wanted to thank you guys for tuning in today. So yeah, enjoy your day, and I will see you in my next video.